For our lesson today, we are going to practice drawing facial features, and then, if there is enough time, applying the features using the correct placement and proportion on the drawing of a face. This is an overview only and some basic guidelines to get you started. We will be looking at the features from the front view, whereas you can look at the face from many angles. But I hope you will study each feature and think about each part in more detail. We will use the eye as an example of some of the thoughts that you might have to have while you're drawing a facial feature. The eye's overall shape is similar to a lemon or a football. There are many parts to the eye, including the eyelids, the iris, the pupil, the sclera, which is the whites of the eyes, the tear ducts, eyelashes, sometimes the crease for the eyelid, a highlight to make the eye look shiny because it's wet. Try to match each step as you are drawing. Try not to draw just what you think you see. Take your time and analyze the different parts of each feature. Hopefully you will learn to observe more closely and will gain understanding by looking more carefully at each feature. Practice in the spaces provided on the handouts or in your sketchbook or on a separate piece of paper. These handouts are only for drawing the features from the front view. It gets more complicated as you start drawing the face from different angles. This is just the beginning to the lesson. You will do more in-depth studying in the future. Now we will look at facial proportions. These proportions are general guidelines only because everyone is unique. First, you will draw an egg shape. Then you will draw a vertical line down the center of the egg shape. In theory, everything on the face will have mirror symmetry. The features will be flipped. But of course, humans are not perfect, so there will be at least slight variations. Next, you will draw a horizontal line halfway down the face. This is where the corner of the eyes will line up. 5 eyes would fit across the width of the face. The next step is to draw another horizontal line halfway between the eye line and the chin. This is where the base of the nose will rest. The base of the nose is usually the width of the inside corners of the eyes. The edges of the nose will arch up into the eyebrows. They will be placed on top of the eye socket. Next, draw a horizontal line a third of the way down from the base of the nose line to the chin. This is where the corners of your mouth will be placed. Draw vertical lines down from the pupil of the eyes to find the edges of the mouth. The neck will fall between the outer corners of the eyes. The ears will fit between the base of the nose line and the eye line. Add the hairline to the face. Put whatever hairstyle you like on the face. Be sure to lift the hair off the head so it does not look like helmet or matted hair stuck to the head. Now practice matching the shapes, lines, and proportions of each feature on the handouts. Then apply each feature to the face using the correct proportions. Have fun practicing.